Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here. And for all of those who are looking for a good Type-C charging kit, here we go, right here. iVapo Type-C charging kit. And we're going to take a quick look at it. Let's jump into it. So in this charging kit, you're going to get one of these, which is USB-C to USB-C. And you get one of these, which is your charging brick. Sit that down right there. Pop that down right there. Now, the cool thing about this charging kit, like I said, is from iVapo. This is a company that I've been using for a little while now. I've done a couple of tablet reviews for them and cover reviews. This charger can be used for any device that has a Type-C port. So your Nintendo Switch, your Note 8, my Samsung Chromebook, anything that has that Type-C charger you can use. And right on the front of the box, it tells you, if you can see it, Huawei P9, Google Pixel XL, Nintendo Switch, and all USB Type-C chargings. And on the back, you actually get a picture. Nintendo Switch, it can charge it up. Any phone that has that USB Type-C charging port. And then these are a few of the specs. 15 watts of working power. The input is about 100 to 240 volts, and output is 5 volts to 3 amps. Now, you're not going to get fast charge capabilities out of this. Just not gonna happen. The Samsung chargers are just way more powerful, and they charge a whole lot faster. But for having one of these on the go, it's a pretty good deal. These are gonna run you about, I think they're anywhere from $5 to $10 on the website. I'm gonna leave a link to the Amazon product website. They actually sent me a couple of these just to try out. So what I'm gonna do is, this one belongs to me. This one I'm gonna actually be giving away. So yes, this is a giveaway. Anybody that can tell me what was the first, let's see, one of my videos. Okay, so I have not always called myself the Average Tech Guy. If you go back to some of my earlier videos, it's actually just one video, my very first one. It was a phone case video. If you can tell me what I call myself, you'll get this. So if multiple people can give me the answer, I'm gonna just pick a name at random. You send me your address, I'll send you one of these. Simple and easy. But yeah, nice little device. If you need something on the go, something that's compact, something easy to use. Like I said, it's not big, it's not bulky. You can fold this up, basically just like that. Put it in a bag, charge it up on the go, use it wherever you want to. But yeah, nice little device. iVapo Type-C charging kit. I'll leave the link below. Hope this is able to help someone. Remember, enter for that giveaway. And until next time, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like. And Average Tech Guy out. Peace.